Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is AI Mental Assistance, and this is our abstract. In our project, we just create a small application of chatbot. A chatbot is a software application used to conduct an online conversation via text or text to speech. It provides the direct contact with a live human agent. In this paper, we design a AI mental health chatbot app. Here we use the Python for the developing our chatbot using natural language processing and machine language processing. In our chatbot, first user register themselves using basic details. Already registered user just login. Here we recognize the client's mental condition, whether they are in positive or negative mindset. According to their mental condition, our chatbot will give a reply. And this is a project objective. Develop a chatbot for response within a quick manner. Improve the accuracy of answering. Improve the prediction of future and questioning. This is a flow diagram. NLP is the natural language programming, and the ML is the machine learning. When we start the process, it's go to the chat and then it analyzes it. By using the algorithm, it's differentiated positive or negative. Here only we use the NLP and ML. NLP is for the natural language programming. Here it is used for the English as the English language, and ML is for the machine language and classifying the positive or negative. And composing and collecting. Composing means here the classifications are grouped together and replay it according to the positive or negative and the end process. And this is a case diagram. From the user case, it's chat, some add information and view information, update information, delete information. And this is our source code file. When we execute the app.py, our process will execute. After executing our main code, our chatbot app like this. This is a simple chatbot created from the Tkinter. We enter some message. It gives reply and delete it, and again it also gives reply. We give our problem. Here we give the input as it is in the data set, so only it replays.